Good morning, students. Our today's topic is exercise 1.3. So question is, prove that root 5 is a irrational number. So what is irrational number? Irrational number is the number which cannot be written by p upon q, where q not equal 0. Number which cannot written in the form of p upon q is irrational number. So we will prove that root 5 is irrational number. So first of all we will prove this. We will suppose let root 5 is a rational number. Suppose root 5 is a rational number. Root 5 equal a upon b, where b not equal 0. Suppose root 5 equal a upon b, where suppose a upon b, a and b two co-prime number, co-prime integer. Suppose a and b two co-prime number. What is co-prime number? Co-prime number is the number which is only divisible by 1. So here a and b are the number which is only divisible by 1. Now in this equation, root 5 equal a upon b, we will written root 5 equal a upon b as b root 5 equal a. This b is transposed here, so b multiply root 5 equal a. We will square both sides, then b square and root 5 square equal a square. So here b square root 5 square, this 2 and this root are cancelled. Here only 5 multiply 5 equal a square. We can write in this equation as 5b square equal a square. The meaning of this equation is a square as well as a also is divisible by 5 when we transpose 5 in this side. So here upon 5, that means a square or a also divisible by 5. So we can write a equal 5c, where c is an integer. So we will put this value on this place, 5b square and a equal 5c square. So here 5b square equal 5 5s are 25c square, and this 5 transposing here, so b square equal 25 upon 5c square. So 5 5s are 5c square, 5 5 square. So b square equal 5c square. The meaning of this expression is b square as well as b also is divisible by 5. When we transpose this 5 on this side, here b square upon 5, so b square is divisible by 5. So here A and B both have at least one common factor, which is 5. But we suppose that A and B co-prime number is the number which is only divisible by 1. But here A also divisible by 5 and B also divisible by 5. So here contradiction arises because of our assumption that root 5 is a rational number. Thus we can say that we conclude we can say that root 5 is irrational number. Proved.